You ever play Age of Empires or any old game that has like a little catapult in it? You shoot rocks with it and stuff. Well, today I'm going to make a really tiny one of those. To start off, we'll need some toothpicks, some rubber bands, some super glue. I prefer the no-run gel, some cereal in case you get hungry, cereal cardboard, some tin foil, maybe some scissors if you got those, some string, and don't forget your fingers. So to make this one like uniform platform, I just cut a little piece of paper, which you just saw, and then I glued it, and I'm going to stick that to the back of all these little toothpicks that I cut out, and then you can kind of see that I got a nice solid piece here. Alright, so now if we flip the catapult around, I'm going to make some little spikes for the wheels, spokes, whatever you want to call them. A kind of sad thing though is I bought silver paint for the wheels to make them look more realistic, and it was completely dry, so yeah, we'll just have to use our imaginations. Okay, so now I'm going to start working on the front of the catapult. A lot of the woodwork here, I guess you could call it, is kind of just more for like aesthetics to make it look like a catapult. And I definitely didn't go light on the super glue for the joints. I wanted to make this thing like pretty rigid, so. And then I just made a little catapult arm with some rubber bands and some double joints. Make that thing nice and strong. So I just googled it, and I think this thing is actually called a bucket, which I thought there'd be like a more fancy term for it, but whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap some string around it and make it look all fancy like. Nice. So I went ahead and like wrapped the string around a bunch of the joints just so it kind of had a uniform look to it. Doesn't really do much for it, but you know, it looks nice. Alright, so now time to make some tinfoil pebble rocks. So look, a wild cardboard castle appeared, so let's launch some mortars at it. And here's a Pokemon building thingy. We're gonna launch another rock at it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my little miniature catapult. It was fun to make, and it's fun to fling little objects at your friends and pretend like you didn't do it. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you have any ideas or suggestions for things to build or make, let me know, and I definitely read the comments, and I've made stuff from them. So yeah, anyways, thanks a lot and have a good one.